Unlock seamless client payments and secure your income stream by mastering Payoneer's Invoice feature. Why your key to professional invoicing and swift payment collection. First things first, log into your Payoneer account. Once you're in, navigate to the main menu. You're looking for the Request Payment option. Click on it to begin the process of sending out your first professional invoice. Now, let's get down to crafting that invoice. You'll see fields for your client's name and email address. Be sure to fill these in accurately. Then, it's time to detail your services or products. Enter a clear description, quantity, and the agreed-upon price for each item. But we're not just creating an invoice. We're building a professional brand impression. Look for the customization options. This is where you can upload your company logo, making your invoice instantly recognizable and adding that touch of professionalism your clients expect. Don't forget the crucial payment terms and due dates. Specify when the payment is expected to ensure clarity and avoid any confusion. This is vital for maintaining healthy cash flow for your business. Before sending, take a moment to review everything. Check the client details, the line items, the total amount, and the due date. Once you're confident it's perfect, hit that send button. Your professional invoice is now on its way to your client, with a direct link for them to pay conveniently. Your client will receive an email with your branded invoice attached and a secure link to complete the payment directly through Payoneer. This streamlined process ensures you get paid faster and more efficiently, allowing you to focus on what you do best while you're growing your business.